Hi, everyone. This is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Wednesday, November 13th. Been having some technical issues this morning, so recording this in a little bit of a different way. Hopefully, everything comes through correctly and the audio works well. But we do have a bit of a quiet start to things this morning. But as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening here, we'll start to see another shortwave working its way through the area, and that will bring some more snow chances, especially to parts of the Sawtooths and the Wood River Valley. So that's kind of our key points. We've got a quiet, dry start to the day today. We've got a shortwave moving through as we get into kind of this afternoon and evening time frame that will bring some snow, mainly to parts of the Wood River Valley, up in the Sawtooth area, and a little bit of light snow to the Island Park area. Still breezy at times today, but gusts much lighter in general than yesterday, gusting to about 25, 35 miles per hour. We'll see a little bit of some breaks here and there, but we do have more snow chances coming ahead as we kind of get into the Friday, Saturday time frame. Here's a look at satellite early this morning. You can start to see the beginnings of the atmospheric river event as it's kind of all moving on shore of the West Coast area, mainly the coasts of Washington and Oregon. But we do have a few clouds out there this morning, and that's pretty much it here in eastern Idaho. Plenty more of that moisture, though, is headed our way over the next several days. So here's our weather risk outlook grid this morning. Not a whole lot of impacts expected for today. As the day goes on, we will start to see more snow, of course, especially up in the Sawtooth area. But really, most of the snow is going to fall on the mountains, or in the mountains, I should say. And so we're going to see some of the highest totals really be higher up in elevation. But we're going to kind of see the chance for some isolated snow showers on and off overnight into early Thursday morning for those of us at the lower elevations, but little snow accumulation is expected. And then we've got kind of that rain-snow mix coming ahead as we get into Friday, Saturday, and lingering even into Sunday. So while it looks like there's a lot going on, there will be plenty of breaks on and off throughout the next several days, so some dry time expected too. Today, temperatures are going to start to warm up just a little bit. A few more of us are going to make it back into the low 50s this afternoon, mainly in parts of the eastern Magic Valley. Those of us that don't quite hit 50 will still be around the mid 40s through the lower and upper Snake Plain for the most part. Wind gusts, again, as mentioned earlier today, will be kind of in that 25 to about 35 mile per hour range. So a bit breezy at times, but certainly not as windy as it was yesterday. So with that kind of quick moving system coming through tonight, here is what we can expect as far as snowfall goes. Again, really going to be along the spine of the Sawtooth that sees the most snow out of this. Anywhere from basically 6 to 10 inches of snow up on the mountaintops. Do you kind of go down in elevation, you get closer to about 3 to 4 inches right around the Galena Summit area, and about 2 to 3 inches of snow around Stanley. Around an inch or so at Ketchum. Here's another way to look at that, looking at Highway 75 going from south to north. Again, if you're having to travel Galena Summit, you'll probably see the most snow in that area. About 3 to 4 inches of snow, and then as you kind of get down in elevation to closer to about 6,000 feet, you're closer to around 1 to 2 inches of snow. As we get into Thursday, again, temperatures warm another degree or two. Pretty similar, though, as far as afternoon highs. A lot of us in the mid to upper 40s, some low 50s. Winds much lighter in general on Thursday, kind of more of our quote-unquote typical winds here in eastern Idaho with gusts around 15, 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Same story on Friday, wind not too much of an issue for us, but you'll notice our temperatures start to drop as we start to get another system headed our way as we get into that Friday, Saturday time frame. So highs are going to mainly be in the low to mid 40s at best for a lot of us. So that is a quick look at your weather forecast. Overall, pretty quiet and dry to start things off today. Shortwave moving through later on, though, will bring some snow, mainly to parts of the Wood River Valley, the Sawtooths, and maybe up to about an inch or so in the Island Park area. Still breezy at times today with some gusts around 25 to 35 miles per hour, but we got more snow and some more rain coming up in the forecast for Friday, Saturday, and potentially even into Sunday. So keep checking back for updates, of course, as we get a little bit closer to those events. But if you need any information about the weather forecast, you can always find that online on social media. It's a great way to connect with us too. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can give us a phone call or send us an email. Otherwise, have a great day.